Hey everyone! Today, we're bringing you 30 tools and gear for the ultimate camping experience. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as we walk you through each item. Are you dreaming of RV camping, but you only own a bike? Don't worry, attach a wide path camper to your steel horse to start an unforgettable camping adventure. This exoskeleton is designed with a powerful engine providing 800-watt output. Put it on, and even climbing, don't worry, attach a wide path camper to your steel horse to start an unforgettable camping adventure. How about recreating the iconic bath scene from The Witcher with the Jekyll hot tub? Any beach will become your own relaxation room. How does it feel to sleep on a cloud? Find out with this waterproof shelter, which you can install just like a hammock. If you plan to go on an adventure with a friend, this air station is your ideal option. It takes only 5 minutes to unfold it and begin enjoying nature with comfort. Even an exciting camping trip can be ruined if you don't have a place to go and nature calls. It's better to plan ahead and buy this eco-friendly companion. And where will you wash your hands after doing your business? This fantastic portable sink with 1.3-gallon water capacity is at your service. How can you cook tasty popcorn deep in the woods? You just need this portable microwave. Due to its 19.8-pound weight, you can literally take it anywhere. Imagine coming back to camp and enjoying a hot shower after a long hike. Well, with the Outback shower, you can do just that. Its 2 hours of runtime on a single charge will ensure plenty of showers for your whole camping adventure. Volkswagen minivans such as the T1 and T2 have long been associated with camping trips, but if you prefer something more modern, the new California bus is your perfect choice. It's always so sad when your beer gets warm, but with the Anchor Everfrost portable cooler, that won't be a problem anymore. It can reduce the temperature from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 30 minutes. What would happen if you combine a Swiss knife with a lantern? You get a device that can transform into a van, an air pump, a power bank, a mosquito trap, and even a portable speaker. Do you still think you need more gadgets? My car is my fortress. That's what you'll probably say after installing this durable rooftop tent with an incredible 360-degree panoramic view. An average person can survive only 3 days without water. Fortunately, with Life Straw, you can drink from any lake or river. Its filter removes 99.9% of all bacteria, ensuring you won't spend the rest of your day on a portable toilet. Do you have so much camping gear you don't know how to carry it all? Just put all your gadgets inside this electric utility wagon. Its powerful engine allows you to carry nearly 132 pounds effortlessly. We all hate it when smoke gets in our eyes and makes us smell like smoked sausage. It's time to use this astonishing gadget with a dual air system that burns up smoke before it leaves the fire pit. What about a piece of tasty pizza after retiring? Hike Pie Prime is a great device for making this delicious food in less than 2 minutes in the wilderness. With Freestyle 2nd Gen, you can enjoy your favorite movies on a big screen even while exploring the deepest woods. By the way, which film would you like to watch under the starry sky? Setting up a tent in windy weather can be a real challenge for your nerves, but you can always opt for the Solar canopy, which will automatically turn into your shade oasis in less than 2 minutes. How can a device weighing only 1.2 ounces and measuring 1.02 by 2.95 inches become a game changer for any camper? Zero pump is the answer. It can inflate or deflate your sleeping mattress in less than 60 seconds. The Musen speaker is your ideal camping companion. Its battery ensures up to 8 hours of playtime, while the built-in flashlight illuminates your way even near the darkest canyons. It's always pleasant to hike the mountains while listening to your favorite tunes, isn't it? With this portable speaker, you can enjoy music for nearly 10 hours without charging. Let's hike, baby! What do you need for comfortable camping? A pump, a power bank, mosquito repellent, a flashlight, and maybe even a coffee grinder. That's exactly what this tiny but useful transformer includes. It would be nice to meet a barista in the mountains, wouldn't it? But until that happens, you can always enjoy espresso made by this hand-powered Bukaku Mini Presso GR2. Out Nano was a dream device for any coffee lover. Wait 3 minutes while it makes your favorite drink, and voila, you can sip your espresso while enjoying the beautiful mountain view. Imagine your friend's basement when you pull this 15-pound inflatable kayak out of your backpack. If you get a 2-person model, you can even take one of your buddies with you. If you enjoy building Lego sets and camping, check out this awesome canoe. Set it up in less than 7 minutes and you're ready for your exciting water adventures. This tiny device will inform you about any temperature or humidity changes while you're hiking. Simply connect your mobile phone and check out all the data. Setting up a tent requires a lot of time unless you have a 3-second tent. Its advanced self-locking mechanism allows you to install your shelter within a couple of seconds. Wherever you go, you can enjoy warm food. If you carry this portable cooking system designed with 2 burners, it's perfect for cooking meals while staying outdoors. Tough camping challenges require sturdy furniture. This Pico's table is compatible with different accessories, making it an irreplaceable item for outdoor adventures. And now it's time to have some fun. Whether you prefer badminton or table tennis, the outside-inside company is ideal sets for you. Are you tired of those sleeping bags that make you feel like a caterpillar? With a cocoon, you'll sleep like a happy baby inside this extra comfortable mattress with a foldable headrest. This astonishing lamp can rise from 4 to 12 feet, providing 6,000 lumens of bright light. I wonder if aliens will finally notice us if I turn this thing on. Finally, each camper can buy their own companion cube. In addition to its portable design, this device powers up mobile phones and generates light for more than 100 hours on a single charge. Some people say that a perfect camping chair doesn't exist. What about this piece of outdoor furniture complete with a mosquito net, foldable canopy, and cooler? Shut up and take my money. If someone says there's nothing useful you can make out of old cardboard boxes, just show them this invention. Carbotogrammy is a cheap but efficient shelter that may help you survive natural disasters or have an unforgettable camping experience. This foldable cube isn't just great for cooking in the wilderness, it could also charge your phone by converting heat into electricity. Can you believe that setting up a tent can be as easy as inflating a camping mattress? Attach an air pump to this aero tent and your shelter will be ready in a few minutes. Have Have you ever tried sleeping while traveling by water? Well, because of the Baja cabin, you don't have to go on a cruise to have this experience taken. Be installed on a vehicle ground or paddleboard. The cabin is 9.8 feet long and 34 inches wide, ideal dimensions for a single adventurer. Is your vehicle already crammed with equipment, but you still need some free space? With these hitch racks, you can carry an additional 500 pounds. Do you still need even more space? What about this swinging model that can withstand an impressive 10,000 pounds? That's a wrap for today. Folks, let us know which camping gear caught your eye. Until next time, thanks for watching.